Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. It's a snow day, so I'm going to go out here and get some of the snow up because it's really cold outside and I don't want it to freeze to the ground. If you've never been here before, welcome. I'm 𝐊𝐘𝐒. Right now you're at my house. I love to do videos pertaining to home management, so that can be cooking, cleaning, doing DIYs, repairs, projects, that sort of thing. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and show the like button some love as well.
Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slam to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Baby, I surrender. I can't take it anymore. I don't want to remember. Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to.
Do you see the tears coming out of my eyes? It is 20 degrees and there is 1.5 inches of snow on the ground. In Columbus, Ohio is freaking out. Now I'm gonna go move the snow off of the back of my patio. So I don't know if you noticed or not, but my face was completely frozen when I was talking to you, other than the teardrops. I could barely move. It was almost as if I had gotten some Botox and I could move my face. I mean, clearly I have nothing against Botox, because let me tell you something, I'm getting older. I'm about to have another birthday. So if there is a Botox company out there that wants to sponsor your girl and hook her up, I'm all for it, okay? I'm all about it.
Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Be over now? Is this over now? Is this over? Is this over?
Moving right along to my daughter's room. I'm gonna help her clean this because it's getting on my nerves, okay? That's the end of the story. Look at all this dust. For this to be an additional bedroom, I would say that the closet is quite spacious, almost as big as the master closet. So quite honestly, I'm glad that we're doing this as a family because it helps me with my 12-year-old as far as guiding her step by step on how to clean a bathroom properly from head to toe. You gotta teach them young, you know?
Like glue, the leather stuck on me. I wanna move. And you, yeah, they all want a piece of me. Everyone in the crowd wanna feel it, they wanna be me.
I'm wiping these walls down with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. Majority of everything else is being cleaned by Kim's magic concoction. And then we also use some 𝐓𝐷𝐿 that had a little bit of bleach in it because there was some mildew on her container thing for her shower. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below. Let me know if you like Bob Marley and if you've seen One Love. I will be going to see it this weekend. As far as TV shows, I've been watching Arctic Circle on Prime. That was a tongue twister. It's pretty good. It's crime. Y'all know I love me some crime. It's really good though. cleaning these off, my daughter could not believe how dusty they were. I also let her know that you can remove them, but we were not about to do that today. I had so much other things that I needed to handle, but I just wanted to make sure that I was able to spend this quality time with my kids, building memories and all of that great stuff. Check out how dirty they were. I read a quote the other day that I want to share with you. The quote says, "Because I have a choice, I choose love." One thing that I've definitely realized in this healing journey is a lot of people are just hurting, right? We all know that. People say the rudest things because they're hurting. People do the dumbest things because they're hurting. At the end of the day, what they're lacking is love in some aspect, whether it be from their childhood, their teenagehood, their adulthood, whatever the case may be. They just need love. And I really feel like it's so easy to spread negativity and hate. Why isn't it as easy to spread love? That's really something that we need to think about. Then it also makes me think about my kids and how I would love for them to be. Obviously, they're their own people and are going to make their own decisions in life, but they are going to look up to their parents, right? So I got to act like I got some sense. How can we impact the world? Through our children. Our children are the future. So if we're showing them love at home and they see us showing love to people out in the streets that we don't even know, they're more inclined to be that way as well. People are a product of their environments, and let's make this environment safe and healthy. Let's make our environment filled with love and encouragement. It all starts with us, and one person can definitely make a difference. Before you get your panties in a bunch, we are not cleaning the toilet, okay? I'm showing her how to tighten a toilet seat. And some people don't know how to do it, so here you go. So this room used to be a really strange color. We painted over that strange color. All I did was just put primer on the wall, and we have been saying that we're going to paint this room forever. So hopefully I can have it painted by at least May, because it is a big room with a lot of walls, and I really want to try to do something to one of the walls to kind of make it stand out. But that is definitely the game plan. So we have to paint this room and my other daughter's room. I've already started buying decor for this room as far as like how we want it to look, what our vibe is, and that sort of thing. So I'm really excited about this project. hope you know how beautiful and how worthy and how loved you are. You are enough. You do not have to accept any negative thing that anyone says about you because you are blessed and you are highly favored. If you're enjoying today's video and you love my daughter's bouquet of flowers that I've shown throughout the video, please be sure to leave a flower below in the comments. You'll also have to let me know below in the comments if you've been saying your affirmations and on this healing journey with me. I really hope that you are blessed with all the desires of your heart, and just know that you're worthy of this healing journey as well. Always choose happiness.
Without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe.
If you've never used Super Clean before, first of all, where you been, okay? I know if you've been here for a while, you've definitely seen it on my videos, but let me just tell you something. It is one of the best degreasers I've ever used. It works so well on the wheels. It also cleans off shoes, and let me demonstrate. Step 1, examine the shoes. Get yourself a dirty towel, and this is what the before looks like, okay?
Like you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever.
Here is the after. Tell me them shoes ain't come clean, y'all. It's important to have clean shoes, okay? The bottom is not clean. The top has been clean. Big difference, right?
There's so many ways to be happy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very well aware that Super Clean is a degreaser, but it does not just limit you at degreasing. It also works to clean your shoes off. We actually clean our shoes off with Super Clean all the time. You guys saw it. I proved it to you. What more could you ask for, right? Get you some Super Clean because you know it works. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.